Yes, you've read that right. We are working in the Texas killing fields where 30 bodies have been found and a Hollywood movie was made about it.
Hey out there YouTube, welcome to the channel. On this job, we got to take 300 loads of this dirt to a job that's on the backside of this field. It used to be oil wells, so they had to, when they come in, took the oil wells down, they used this packing mud to go around the pipes. So that had to be took out. That just had to be took out, the packing mud around the pipes. So we took it out, and now we're putting it in, and we'll pack this dirt in. So that's what this video is about. When it gets done, it's still just going to look like a field, but it's a necessary work. So I'd like to ask everybody to hit the like button and the subscribe button. Thanks.
Start the job off, we had to put in a new temporary entrance. We were required to use 24-inch RCP pipe. As you can see, that's what we're installing now. Then we put the select field around the pipe. We'll put a geotech fabric over top of the field. Then we'll take and put bull rock down. Bull rock is rock, it's about 3 to 5 inches. When you put it down, the dump trucks run over it. It shakes them, shakes the dirt off before they get into the street. So that's what this part of the job is all about. Now here you can see one of the holes where they dug up and took the drilling mud out. We have to pump this out to get down to the bottom and then muck it out. This is the same hole you was looking at being pumped out. You can see all the muck he's pushing down. He's pushing all the mud over to one corner. The excavator will take it out from there and pile it up behind it and remove it. That way we're starting off with a good solid bottom that's dry so we can pass inspection. Here we pumped the trench out, but we have not mucked it out yet. So you can see what the bottom looks like. You can see the water line where it was at. Here we're in the process of mucking this out. Nothing exciting, it's just removing the mud out of the ditch. But it's got to be done. Now we're back on the dirt pile. This is where we're getting our dirt from. You'll see how close it is to the job when I do the drone shots. One truck leaves, the next one rolls in. Here we are with the tandem. that's one cycle. 299 more times of doing that, and we'll be good to go. Here we are back at the pile loading up. Now this is on with the drone, and you'll see how close the job is when he takes off. Unfortunately, before this video ends, I ran out of memory card. But you'll get a good idea how far we gotta go. This is a view of the job we're doing. You can see him mucking out the trench right there. You can see the dozer up at the top of the page filling in the one. We'll have to do compaction test on these. Every foot lift we put in, we'll have to have lab out to test it. Here you can see the truck coming in. Look at him. There he goes. Now we're going to take, as the crow flies, if you look back in the distance, that's the excavator that's loading it up.